I'm going to go over ZIM Integrated Shipping Services, ticker symbol ZIM. A viewer that goes by the name of Ron Burgundy pointed the stock out to me today because it tanked. So this could be an opportunity for you down the road. So I want you to put this on your radar. My dad is also interested in the stock, and I know a lot of people are as well. I'll show you the RSI and the MACD in just a moment, but first to the numbers. It ended the day at $61.86, down nearly 8%. The 52-week low, $26.09. The 52-week high, $91.23. Volume much higher than normal with 8.7 million shares traded. We typically see 5.5 million shares. The market cap, $7.4 billion, and it pays a dividend yield right now of 58%. That is crazy. That means this is a very volatile stock, so just be careful of that and be aware of that. Under the performance for the week, it is down 16%. For the month, it is down nearly 14%, and for the year, it is up 138%. Under the technicals, it's considered a sell as of right now, and under the analyst rating, it is considered a buy. On tipranks.com, the average analyst forecast is $82.35, the low is $53.40, and the high is $120. Back in January, that forecast was at $73, so it has been revised upward since then. Now, if you were to buy this stock, and we are going to round up to $62, if you were to buy it at this price and it goes to our next target of $82.35, because we've already hit this lower target, that would be a return of 32%. If it goes to the next level, well, if it hits the all-time high right there, that would be a return of 48%. And if we get to $120, that would be a return of 93%. Of course, this is not guaranteed. It could take a very long time to get there, or it may never get there. So just keep that in mind as well. Taking a look back in time, right here, you could have picked up this stock when it was $34 and roughly 12 cents. And from this point to the high right here, that is a return of roughly 171%. And notice when a stock hits support, it tends to go up because you found your legs and your footing right there, so it went up. And notice right here, this is basically almost at support, which is this red line. It started to run as well. And oops, this is support right here. It started to run up, as you can see. And when a stock tends to hit resistance, which is this level right here, it starts to go down because people are taking their profits and they're running. So it can go down to go back up again. But in this case, it went sideways a little bit and then went back up, basically hit support here and then went down. This is resistance. It went down there. And again, this is resistance up here. This is 2 standard deviations, this is 3 standard deviations, and this is 4 standard deviations. This is money, this is more money, and this is the jackpot. Now let me show you the RSI. We are sitting at about 50. The MACD is going down. So right here, this is still selling off on both of these indicators. And I think we possibly could go down maybe to even 40. So just be aware of that. This needs to turn up on both of these indicators to show us that there is a true sign of a reversal, and we are not there just yet. The sell-off has just started, basically. So let me show you what this looks like on the daily time frame. We are right at -2 standard deviations. This is -3 and this is -4. To the upside is $73.51, and to the downside is basically $56.78. And of course, there are all kinds of levels in between there, but if you play this chart like I do, I just set it and forget it. And I don't really worry about it too much because that's how I'm trading this stock or any stock when I use this chart. Let's take a look at the RSI. Still selling off as well on the daily time frame. It is very important that you check out the different time frames because it gives you different buy and sell signals. This is still selling off and this is still going down as well. So we have not hit the bottom on this stock. And of course, we were in the red today. Many stocks were. So this fell with it. And let me show you now what the stock looks like on the 3-minute time frame. Let me close out that. On the 3-minute time frame, we are right here basically at the median or the middle. This is where price tends to just float before it either makes a move to the upside or makes a move to the downside. But to the upside, that is $63.44, and to the downside, that is $59.74. And right here, these dashes, that is after hours trading. Now, if I enable VWAP, we are basically at the bottom channel of VWAP. VWAP is at $63.89, and to the upside, that is $65.56. And the RSI hooking straight down, the MACD is crossing over on the 3-minute time frame. So if you are day trading, your strategy is going to be different than if you're swing trading or even investing. But right now, if you are trying to pick up stocks, entering or selling, I use the VWAP to help me get in and out of stocks. And obviously, if you're day trading, people use it to know when to pick up more shares or when to scale down as well. Let me show you how the market ended. A lot of red across the board, as you can see. Microsoft, Apple, Visa, JP Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, PayPal in the red, along with NVIDIA, AMD, Google, Amazon, Tesla. This is why it's so important for you, I think, in general to be diversified, because if one sector is down, at least you have different sectors that are holding your portfolio up. As you can see, healthcare is up right now, along with some stocks in the real estate space and utilities as well. It seems like energy goes up and down every single day, so it's all over the map. But anyway, that's what I wanted to go over for you. If there is a stock that you would like me to check out, please comment below. To see my other stock picks, please check out my other videos, and thank you so much for watching.